Waking up without power in New Hampshire. This nasty nor'easter taking out power lines. Utility crews working overnight to restore service. And here in Massachusetts, at one point, nearly 19,000 were without power.
And the Eye Open's Erica Tarantel tracking the story. And Erica, some customers are saying that Thanksgiving food is ruining.
And it's such unfortunate timing in terms of those Thanksgiving dinners perhaps spoiling. The season's first significant snowfall happening, of course, on a big travel day and a big prep day for the holiday. When the snow started piling up, the tree branches started coming down. One limb went through the windshield of a moving car on Pleasant Street in Concord. Police say no one was hurt, but power lines came down with it, taking Concord Hospital off the grid and onto backup generator power.
We haven't had power since like 5:30.
You worried about Thanksgiving?
Yeah, I wanted to see my parents.
The outages are impacting intersections, taking out traffic lights, and leaving homes by the thousands in the dark. Electricity went out around 5 Thanksgiving Eve at the Willingham house.
We couldn't charge our phones in the house, so we were trying to go out to charge the phones in the car.
And I think probably all my food now is going to need to be thrown out because it's been several hours. So.
Are you upset about this happening right before Thanksgiving?
Well, a little bit. Yeah, it's a little challenging on Thanksgiving, sure.
You seem to still have a smile.
What else can we do, really, right? Yeah, we'll just wait out the storm and take it from there.
And likely thankful they're okay, right? Crews have been working again through the night, but there's no real estimate as to when power will be restored. It could actually take days. Randy?